So today we're installing the Custom Dynamics TruWrapz LED turn signals on a 2014 Harley-Davidson Street Bob. I bought these Custom Dynamic TruWrapz, and they'll wrap around the frame right here, or the forks. And first thing I need to do is pull out this grommet and find the two connectors, because the old turn signals were mounted directly into the housing. So instead of having to run the wire all the way down the handlebars, there's supposed to be a blue, I think a blue and a white connector inside of here. So I'm going to fish around and see if I can find those. And then of course, Revzilla sends stickers. Alright, so I found the one, and I believe this is the turn signal. It's the black connector. I think it's going to be the right side blinker. But just to verify, I'm going to turn the bike on, put the turn on. I'm going to use this power probe to test it. I just need to ground it, and then okay, so that is the right side turn signal. Alright, so there's the white one. Let's test that. We'll just ground it in the same location. Middle prong. Yep, and that's the left. So the white one's the left, black one is the right. Just going to open this. And my table is being used to collect junk, so I can't set stuff down on it. So these are the lights. It comes with tape. It looks like the thick 3M tape, and the metal band, which will secure it because it wraps around. So we got two of those. And you got the load balancer. Is that what they call them? Let's see here. Well, they're modules, so good lord. I'm going to investigate. I'll be back. If you are just doing the turn signal, you do not need them. If they're going to be a run and turn signal, then you'll have to use these. 2 wires in, 3 wires out. I'm not sure what I want to do. I think I just wanted them turn signals. Yeah, I just want turn signals. So I'm not going to use these modules. I will hold on to them though in case I decide later on that I want to use them. And it comes with this wire loom, but I don't know how in the world you'd get the wire through it. So I'm not using that either. So I think the next step, and it comes with the 3M primer and some stainless steel zip ties, but the bike is black, so I'll just use black zip ties. So let's get a little rubbing alcohol and start prepping the surface. Okay, so I was just doing some stuff and talking, and I didn't realize that I forgot to turn the camera back on. So what I did is I took some shrink wrap and I covered the black and yellow wires, and now I'm getting ready to solder the connection. I got my solder iron right here. Now we'll just hold it here for a bit. Yeah, be patient at this step. Alright, we'll wait for a second so that can cool down. Yeah, so what I did was, because I think I forgot to hit record before I even did this, but I cut the center, because the center, when you touch it with the lead or with the power probe, it flashes, and then the black is the ground. So I'm leaving this one. This is the full-time running lamp. I'm just leaving that in the connector so it's easy to find if I decide to go that route. But right now they're just going to be turn signals. So that one's done. Now I want to slide the shrink wrap around the yellow. These thin wires are a pain in the butt. Okay, and then I want to connect the yellow to the turn signal power. Same thing, you want to twist it around, make it a good manual connection like that, and then you want to get your solder. You want to get a little bit of the solder on there. That helps to heat up the wire. And then you just wait here for a little bit. As this is heating up, you don't want to go too quick because then you'll get a cold connection and it won't stick. So you want to heat the wire up, and it will pull it right in to the wire when it's hot enough. Let those cool down for a couple minutes. Alright. In the meantime, you can take this excess wire strap and you can just cut it here. And then you want to make sure it lays flat because you don't want to cut yourself on it. So now that that is done, we can put the shrink wrap over the connection. And if you got a little burr, it'd be wise to just snip it off. Let's give it a quick little look-see here. Well, that's pretty solid. Alright, so now I just need to tuck that one away, and I'll probably put this white one out the other side so that it's closer. They're pretty much the same on both sides, so I'm going to take care of the other side, and then when they're both done, I will do a once over.